Welcome to the Second Chance Garage. Okay. I'm putting a new battery in the 750 Shadow. And I got it dropped down in there. But now I have to hook up this wire for the maintainer. So I got to step over here first and get my get some stuff here. Okay. Now, let's see if I can get this out of the way. Huh. See if I can get some light over here. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. Now, what I have to do, let me see if I can put you in a better place here. So you can see the top of the battery. Okay. This is the positive, this is the negative. Okay, now I need, there's my screwdriver. Okay, what I need to do is get, okay, first of all, I'm going to see if I can get these started. Okay, I got to get this out of the way. I did buy a new one offline, but it was junk. Wouldn't take a charge, which that's honestly the first time I've ever had that happen to me. Okay. Now, if I can get it started. Yes, it started. Okay. Now I need to get the negative fed up through here. This thing is buried in here. Okay. Let's see if I can get it started. Can't see. Yes, okay. Now that started. And that one started. Okay. Now, I have to take my maintainer wires. Alright. Slide that under here. Tighten that up, okay. Alright. Now, see if I can slide the negative under here. I need to loosen it up more. Slit on there. Now, try to tighten it up. All right. Now, she's in there. Now keep in mind, I doubt that it'll crank over because this battery is brand new, hadn't been charged yet. But I do want to see how much juice it's got in it compared to the other one. Let me bring this up a little bit here. Okay. Okay. Now I'll experiment and see whether it's going to turn over worth a diddly or not. Whoops. That was unexpected. Okay. apparently it'll turn over. Okay. That's nice and unexpected. So, in that case, I think I'll start putting this beast back together. Shall we? See, I couldn't put it together before because it's got a bunch of stuff that goes on top of it here. Let me pause this a minute. Okay, so this goes on top of the battery. Yep. This, it's got a couple of notches that it fits into. Hang on a second. You get it in place here. What in the world? Okay. There we go. Now, let's see if I can get you a better shot at this here. Got the light standing up and I'm trying to, let me see if I can get you pointed down better. All right. Let's see. Okay. Got a couple notches that it fits in. And then okay, it's in the notches. And this comes down. Oh. Okay, hang on a second. Let's say it's easy. Okay, now this needs to be slid up over positive terminal. Oh, it don't touch anything. Okay. Yeah, a second. It's going. Alright. There. Okay. Now, there we go. I'm going to force this. When I say force, I mean you got to force it because they don't want to go. I'll hook these two holes on the two ears right here. But you got to get it under. Then you got to drag it up, hook it on, bend it over, line it up, and then the screw goes right here. It kind of works as a lid for the battery. All right, now, I hope you can see this. Okay. Spin it down tight as you can with your fingers. Okay. There we go. That's snug. This gets popped in here like so. That's got that popped in there. I actually wonder if it ain't supposed to go the other direction. Yeah, there we go. Locked in here, locked in there. Okay. Now. Okay, now, where are we at? Oh, putting a seat on, I guess. Oh, wait a minute. Ink on a minute. Let's see. I put that in the wrong spot. I have. Okay, that one goes in the back. These go on the side. Okay. I'm coming. Okay. Now, gonna have to back you up a little bit here. Gonna have to back you up. Readjust you again. Okay. Let's go up there. That way maybe you can kind of see what I'm doing. Let me try to readjust you again. Sorry about all this readjusting, but okay. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, now the seat has a lip right there on the front. It goes under here, and then it's got two bolts that screw in here and here, and then it's got one that goes right on the back. So here we go. Alright. Let's see here. Okay, that one's hooked under there. This is lined up just about right for that one. So these have to go in here. Oh, the small one, it goes in the back. Okay, so get down here. There's a couple bolt holes down here. You gotta get lined up. They're kind of a pain, but okay. Now let's see, hopefully. Okay, what's it need? Okay, let me see. I'm trying to, oh, it's close. All right, bring it forward. There. Now, is that gonna get me there? Ooh, I'm close. Come on, baby. Gee whiz. This sucks. Come on, baby. What do you need? Oh, great. You better drop it. This thing is in my way. Come on. What do you need? Backwards, forwards. I'm so close. Can't tell what it needs, and this is just a pain in the ass. Okay. Let's see here. I'm not under. Oh, there. Okay. Now, didn't have the front hooked in the proper spot. Come on. Boy, can't see nothing. So close. Yet so far. Alright. That looks like it's lined up. If I can get it started. Oh. A little. Come on, baby. Start for me. Not quite. Oh, I just can't quite get it lined up. I don't know if it needs to be pushed down, pushed up. What? I'll be honest with you. Normally, I don't have this kind of problem. It usually just goes pretty easy. But, of course, normally I'm not filming either. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, normally I'm not filming while I'm doing this. Ah, went. Sweet. Now all I gotta do is fight the other side. Okay. Okay. I gotta fight the other side. Hopefully it doesn't fight me as bad. Where is it? There it was. Let's see. Can't exactly get it started. This stupid saddlebag is right in the way. Oh, stupid saddlebag. Okay. Thank the Lord, that is so close. That is so close. Oh, it's going. Awesome. That's saddlebag. Alright. Okay. What's this? Ouch. Okay. Let me go. Level up my saddlebags here. Yep. I had to shorten them. Keep them off the pipes. Okay. I think that'll work. Okay, now I gotta put one in the back. Hopefully. Oh. Great. No, I lost it. Oh, there it is. Screwdriver. I have to put one right back here. Yep. Okay, get it lined up now. It's kind of a pain because I got those saddlebags under there. All right. Wow. Oh, I look like a klutz. Klutzilla. Come on. I don't know. Boy. Yeah, I got those saddlebags. Then you got to stretch it back down far enough to get it to start to bolt in, which I just did. Finally. Okay. Now, tighten this up. Okay. Now, whew. Yep. So, get this tightened up. It is a 2003, I think, Honda Shadow. All right. Now let me go get a ratchet. It's a 2003 Honda Shadow 750. And she runs like top, but I never invested money in the battery or nothing. So that's what the issue was there. Right now I'm looking for my ratchet that has magically disappeared. Okay, well, I'll just tighten these down as tight as I can get them by hand. I don't know where my ratchet disappeared to. It's always nice. All right, there it is. Yeah, ain't going nowhere. And put this one up. All right. These are Torx. This is a Phillips. And this just catches under the front. Yep. So, what I'm going to have to do eventually is take on the bottom of these saddlebags, they have holes that you got to tie down to this so you don't get your, here, let me see, so you don't get the, when you're going in the wind, you don't get the dog ears flapping, you know, because you don't have to tie it down. All right, well, I might as well start it and let it run a little bit. But I can't believe it started that easy. That battery has not even got a full charge on it. Huh. Yeah, it even got a full charge on it. And that was that's a brand new battery I bought. Paid 120 bucks for it. Not sponsored. At where did I buy it from? O'Reilly's. And I bought it from them. Normally I would buy one from Farm and Fleet, but Farm and Fleet's not open. It's Memorial Day weekend. So I'm going to start it up, let her run. Hopefully. Just like that. Nope. Yeah. Alright, now I'll probably have to choke it. Oh, choke is out. Gotta let her warm up. But anyway, once she warms up, she runs good, but right now it's cold-blooded. I wonder. That should be reserved. Let me try that. Great. That must be reserved. I'm running out of fuel. Piece here. There it is. What it looks like. It's got 5,153 miles on it. Original. Forgot, I'm not done. I gotta finish putting it together. So anyway, Second Chance Garage, that gas is 5 years old. Wait a minute. No. Look at it upside down. 20. 0420. That is 24. And it's 24 now. So that would be, yeah, that would be 3.5, 4 years. Something like that. So anyway, it's alive again. There it is, it's live. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Sorry about adjusting the camera 10,000 times, but kind of the way it is, you know. So Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage, have a good Memorial Day. And stay safe. Uncle Russ out.